Hello there, my name's Jason MacDonald, Technical Service Trainer here at Manitowoc Ice. Today we're going to talk about filter replacement and the filter light on our new Neo Undercounter Ice Machine. So, this machine's been running, it's ran 4,000 cycles, and now this filter change reminder light is lit. Now, you do this with the machine off. You'll notice that the power light is not on right now. So, what we're going to do, remove your old filter by turning to the left, and then reinstall with your new filter. We've got our new filter. We're going to take that cap off. So we'll put this in. We're in. Shut our door. Now what you're going to need to do is press and hold this button for 4 seconds. This light is going to start flashing at you, letting you know that it is activating the filter and actively moving water through our system. Just let this finish up. It's going to take 5 minutes. Once that's done and the light stops flashing, feel free to turn the ice machine back on and verify it fills with water and that you make a sheet or 2 of ice. I usually prefer 3. Thank you for tuning in. If you did like what you saw today about our new Neo, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and get all the updates on any of our new content as it's available.